Forget everything you think you know about pot roast. This right here is Dominican pot roast done in the slow cooker. And once you taste it, regular American pot roast is gonna feel like a punishment. I grabbed this 5-pound USDA choice sirloin tip roast from Aldi for $38.80. That's 8 servings of fall apart tender beef for under $5 a plate. Try doing that with takeout. Now, the night before I cook, this thing gets a serious bath. 1/4 of a cup of sofrito. If you batch yours and freeze it like I do, that's about 3 standard ice cubes. 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 packet of sazón Goya, the orange one, you know the one I'm talking about, 2 teaspoons of Dominican oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk all that into a thick, wet rub, and now I'm rubbing it into every single crack and crevice of this roast. Wrap it up, fridge it overnight. The longer this marinates, the deeper that flavor goes. The next day, I pull it out about 30 minutes before I'm ready to cook. Slow cooker goes on the sear setting. Yes, my slow cooker has a sear setting, and yes, it's about to be the only pot I dirty all day. 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the insert, let it shimmer, and then the roast goes in. 4 to 5 minutes aside until I have a deep, dark crust on every surface. The marinade is gonna char a little. That's not a mistake, that's flavor. Don't move it early. Let it sit and do its thing. Now I'm switching the slow cooker from sear to low. 1 large yellow onion sliced thick, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, all going right around the roast. And then 8 garlic cloves smashed in my mortar and pestle. Listen, you can use a press if you want. You can use the side of a knife. But if you've ever cracked garlic open with a mortar and pestle, you know exactly why I'm telling you to do it this way. The smell hits different. The oils come out different. Your kitchen is gonna smell like every Dominican grandma's kitchen on a Sunday afternoon. Alright, the liquids. Going right into the slow cooker, no extra bowl, no extra dishes. 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of low sodium beef broth, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Dominicans, you know this as salsa inglesa. It's been in our cooking forever. And another 1/4 cup of sofrito because we don't ration sofrito in this house. 3 bay leaves get tucked into the liquid. Lid on, low for 8 to 9 hours. Alright, 8 hours later. Look at this, the whole house smells like home. I'm lifting the roast onto a cutting board to rest, fish out and discard the bay leaves. You don't want to bite into one of those. Now my slow cooker also has a saute setting, so I'm switching it on right there. The peppers and onions have completely broken down into the sauce and we are not straining them. This is a rustic gravy, pulpy, peppery, deeply Dominican. American gravy gets strained. This one stays exactly the way abuela made it. Now, 1/2 cup of olives and capers goes in for that briny pop against the rich sauce. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into 3 tablespoons of cold water. Whisk into a slurry into the simmering sauce and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until it's glossy and coats the back of a spoon. Rest the roast for 15 minutes. This is where the magic happens. If you want sliceable Sunday dinner beef, slice it against the grain. And putting it right back into the slow cooker so every strand soaks up that gravy. Finish with a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro. Plating mine over yellow rice and fried plantains. The yellow rice, the pigeon peas, the crispiness of the fried plantain against the savory beef, and that peppery gravy. 1 forkful of everything together is heaven on a Tuesday. Mini soul snack. Some things in life can't be rushed. Real flavor, real growth, real love, they all take time. If you're in a slow season right now, low and slow doesn't mean broken. It means becoming. Stay in the pot. Full written recipe is at kelvinskitchen.com. My sofrito video is linked at the end of this one. Make this for your family this weekend. Tag me when you do. I'm Kelvin. This was Slow Cooker Dominican Pot Roast, and I'll see you in the next one.